Ahoy, me hearties. It's your host, Captain No Beard, here to make some grog today. Here we have some Blackheart rum. We got some lime juice. This is an ounce. And we got our shaker cup. Landlubbers and men of the sea alike. This drink shall be as cold as Davy Jones' soul, so we're gonna need some ice. Give us the ice, men. Aye. Alright, we got the ice. Here next we have 2 ounces of the finest black British rum. Don't spill a drop. Fuck. Spilled a drop. Aye, 2 ounces. We need the 1/2 ounce lime juice. Okay. Aye, she's pungent. We need a teaspoon of brown sugar. And lastly, we need 4 ounces of the finest salt water you got. Count it with me, boys. 1, 2, three, 4. And now we shake it the way the Kraken shakes the ship, lads. Avast. There we have it. The finest grog you can imagine. Drink up, me hearties.